Welcome to the Super Duper Digital Library. Let's take a look at our flipbooks, each designed to target essential speech and language skills. Select a book by clicking on the icon. For Turn and Talk S and K sounds, use the tabs at the bottom of the book to choose the sound position and whether to work on the sound at the word, phrase, or sentence level. When working at the word level, check the Show Words option to show the picture word labels. Uncheck the box to hide the words. When working at the phrase and sentence levels, click the Reveal button to show the words that fill in the blanks. For Turn and Talk early sounds, use the tabs at the bottom of the book to choose the desired sound. Click on the Modes tab in the top left corner to select the word position. For Turn and Talk R, use the tabs at the bottom of the book to choose the desired R sound. You can choose to work on pre-vocalic R words with long vowels or short vowels by checking long vowels or short vowels in the top right corner. For the vocalic R sounds, click on the Modes tab in the top left corner to choose whether to target words, phrases, or sentences. For photo classifying flips, click on the Modes tab in the top left corner to choose a game style. In Finish the Category mode, 3 pictures will be displayed. Click on the 4th card to flip through the pictures to find an item that belongs in the same category as the 3 pictures shown. Click Shuffle to display a new set of pictures. In What Doesn't Belong mode, 4 pictures will be displayed. Identify the picture that doesn't belong in the category and click Select under the picture to check your answer. In Freestyle mode, 4 blank cards will be presented. Choose the pictures you would like to display by clicking on the category tabs next to the book. Click on the blank cards to flip through the pictures. Hover over the card and click the flip card icon to hide the card. Thank you for being a Super Duper customer. We hope this helps you meet your therapy goals.